Okay, before we are going to pixyz, we have to a little bit understand the 3D files. I'm in a rhinoceros. Rhino is a CAD modeler. CAD means the software that create a model with this method. You can see these are CAD. This is one of the CAD file. With a CAD file, we have a line and surface that called Brep, the boundary presentation. It means you have to control your model with these control points. And we have a nice and a smooth model. We don't have point, edge, just lines and surface are creating them. These are CAD. If you want to use this CAD file in 3D engine for VR, AR, you cannot. You have to convert them or tessellate them to mesh. This is a mesh. In a mesh, we don't have that control points. The 3D file creates with line, point, and surface like this. You can see we're changing model with surface. We're changing model with a line. You can see. Or you can access to the point. Something like this. So the model is based on the surface, points, and the lines. These are mesh. And the pixyz is the bridge between the Nurbs or Breps to the mesh. What is Breps actually that pixyz call that? If you insert the sofa that is a CAD model, you can see it's based on the lines and the surface that creating in between them. This model does not have, you can see, triangle, points, nothing. It's not polygon. Pixyz call it Brep, boundary representation. It's actually Nurbs, we can call them. And don't worry, if you import the model, it's import like this. In the next lesson, I will show you how to import the model. We have two modes. This is on raw mode. It means it's a CAD model and it does not tessellate, decimate anything. And you can see you can show and show on off. In the next lesson, we are going to explain how this is user interface and navigation. So this is Brep and this is CAD. Because you cannot see any faces here because they are not creating yet, because the purpose of this software is creating out of these lines and connection to the mesh. Let's create that.